presenting my first task in the Sparks Foundation Data Science and Business Analytics intern July 2021. The first task is predicting using the supervised machine learning. In this task, we are going to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours his or her study using the linear regression algorithm. Here comes to our first step, defining the objectives. In this, I am importing different type of libraries which are necessary for the completion of the task. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn and sklearn. NumPy and Pandas are used for the numerical data, and Pandas are used for the importing the data. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for the data manipulation and data displaying. sklearn is used for the splitting of data into train and test. Next step is going to be data collection. In this, we are importing the data and storing in the dt, which is a variable. Here we can observe the dt and displaying the dt. After displaying dt, we can visualize this data. Here comes to our data, hours and score. The next step is data pre-processing. In this, we are describing data and checking whether the data having the null values or not. In the describing of data, we can observe that the minimum, maximum values and different type of mean, count, std values. And we are checking the null values are present or not. And here the null values are present. The next step is data visualization. I am using the scatter plot for the visualization of the data, and you can observe this plot here. The next step is splitting of data set into the testing and training model selection. And here we are using sklearn model for the doing the task. You can observe the x train, x test and y train, y test, where we are using the x and y variables for the splitting of the data into the train and test parts. The next, we are creating the simple linear model. I am using the model variable for creating the model and storing in the model the linear regression. Here I am creating the linear regression. And next step is predicting the data and model building. And here I am predicting my data and storing in the y predict variable. You can observe different type of predicted values. And next, I am comparing the actual and predicted values of the test. Here you can observe the different type of actual and predicted values. And checking the training data prediction. Here I am checking the training data prediction. Here comes to our plot. And next, the model coefficient and model interruption I am checking and here displaying. Next comes to the training accuracy and the testing accuracy. Here comes to the training accuracy is displayed as 0.96 and testing accuracy is displayed as 0.90. And here comes to our question: what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day? And giving the data here, the hours 9.25, and I am going to predict here. After predicting, I can get a value. The student studies for 9.25 hours. His estimated score will be 94.76. And thank you.